Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and by the title of this video, you already know what it's about. I'm going to be talking about Juvia's place, and I kind of have a lot to say. You're probably like, who asked for your opinion? No one. But as an avid consumer of makeup and all things cosmetics related, I definitely feel like I have a say in what has been going on, or has already been going on for years and years, that just people have been sweeping under the rug. And I never wanted to talk about this because, you know, like, Juvia's Place is a black owned brand, and I really just wanted to keep them kind of like, I didn't want to say anything bad about them on social media, especially because I know how people just rip you apart, and I've seen it being done to people who have spoken about them. And yeah, I'm like the world's smallest YouTuber ever, and I don't even have freaking 300 subscribers, but I still want to talk about this because it's like something that's still like, it really hit my soul when I saw what was happening like the past couple of days. So yes, I'm finally going to come on here and really address all of the thoughts that I've had about this brand, why I stayed away from buying stuff from them for actually years, even though I knew their stuff was good and I knew people loved it, and it was so hard at times to not buy from them. And I'm just going to lead you guys down the entire timeline. If you're interested, please stay tuned so you can hear what I have to say. If you don't want to hear this, or you're tired of it, or you like have a negative comment to say, please see your way out of my video. Click that exit button because I really don't need your negativity in my life. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. No more talking. And before we do that, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content, as well as if you want to see how I created this look because it's kind of bomb. So jumping into this whole Juvia's Place situation, recently I actually, when I saw the Juvia's Place foundation coming out, I actually tweeted Jackie Ina and I said, hey girl, are you going to review this foundation, because you are my shade match, and I always like go to her for shade matches and foundations I'm interested in, because we kind of have the same skin tone, we kind of have the same like skin type, because she's oily combo, I'm mainly oily, but a lot of things that work for her always work for me. So she's definitely one of those YouTubers that I go to when I'm looking for things that I want to purchase, or I have something I'm trying to address. So I definitely use her as a reference for a lot of things. She was kind, super kind, and retweeted me and said, no, like, I'm not going to review this, I'm not going to cover this launch, and she was very nice about it. I said, okay, thank you, you know, because I kind of figured like maybe something was going on, or like she just wasn't going to cover it because she's too busy, I don't know, but I just left it at that and called it a day. Then a few days ago, I saw Alyssa Ashley pop off on Twitter, because I follow all of them on Twitter, and I've really been loving Twitter lately, so I've been all up on Twitter all the time. And I was reading her thing like, damn, sis really just outed Juvia's Place like so bad. But let me rewind for you guys with the whole Alyssa Ashley thing. A few years ago, I found Alyssa Ashley, and she and Aaliyah J, if I remember correctly, were the only two YouTubers I ever heard of talking about Juvia's Place. They raved about Juvia's Place. I remember Aaliyah J used to talk a lot about their brushes, and I think Alyssa Ashley, she talked a lot about their eyeshadows and their brushes. Like, she was full on, like, the girl was a supporter, and I was so interested in buying their stuff because of those two. But obviously I was broke college student. Before I buy things, you know, I really got to make the decision. And right around the time where I was going to purchase something from Juvia's Place is when the whole fiasco with them not sending Alyssa that one palette kind of came out, and everybody tore Alyssa to shreds. Like, people really came for this poor girl's life, and they were like, she's entitled and she's this. And then I watched the video that she made on the whole situation, and I immediately understood where she was coming from. And I was like, you know what, Juvia's Place is canceled for me, because the way that I saw that they treated her in those texts, that was really, really inappropriate. And I felt like, as a brand and you're upcoming and this girl has been like your #1 supporter, I just felt like, sis, you really need to, like, you know, do better in the way that you address situations. Moving forward into like maybe like a few days or a week after that whole Alyssa Ashley situation occurred, I saw Nikki Tutorials on a Snapchat saying that she got these new Juvia's Place palettes. Like, she's heard that this is an amazing brand and she's so excited to try them out. I saw her video, and I can't remember if it was that first video she made about Juvia's Place or another one after that, where I saw Nikki Tutorials had a discount code for Juvia's Place, and I was like, no freaking way. The way that they just ripped Alyssa to shreds for wanting like a freaking, what's it called, just like a normal palette that they normally send her, to them giving Nikki Tutorials a discount code. That was the immediate slap on the face for me, and I was done with them. And then give or take a few days later, on my YouTube feed popped up this girl called Tiffany, and I think her YouTube name is like Tiff Jeff 069. I'm not really sure. I do really like her stuff a lot. She's very, very honest. And I saw her video on Juvia's Place, and I was like, nope, skirt, not buying from this brand. So literally from the time that all of that happened, I never purchased from Juvia's Place. Not to mention, I had heard that they had really bad like customer service. Their shipping sucked. It still sucks, which I'm going to get into later on. But I was just like, geez Louise, I cannot believe that they would do this to people who have been supporting them. And I think for me, the icing on the cake, the cherry on the cake, was seeing Nikki Tutorials having a discount code when they just went out of their way to say that like they don't do discount codes, they don't do PR lists, they never do any of that stuff. And like they allowed people on the internet to really believe that poor Alyssa Ashley was like being a super entitled, you know, bitch. And she wasn't. She was saying the God honest truth. So moving on from all of that, I spend all this time, I don't buy from Juvia's Place. Man, let me tell you, it was hard. The products they come out with, the pictures look so nice. Nikki Tutorials was constantly pushing their stuff, and I was just like, wow, I would love to buy their stuff, but I didn't. Fast forward to last year, 2018. I don't know what bug bit me, but I decided, you know what, it's been like a year or two, maybe 3 years at this point. I can't remember when that whole drama went down, but I'm going to give Juvia's Place a chance because they have these really nice palettes. I really want to try them out and see where it goes. I purchased the palettes. Let me tell you, the shipping, disastrous. It takes like 3 weeks to get your product. And then not to mention the shipping, like whoever the hell they're using for shipping, I think it's FedEx that gives it to USPS. It sucks. Like I ordered the foundations. I'm going to give you a timeline because I can't remember I don't have the stuff for the other things I ordered from them previously, but I have the foundation, right? So I ordered my foundation from them June 1st. Today is June 18th. I was supposed to get my products since last week. I still have not received my products. And now I just got another email from them today saying that my products are out for delivery. Still haven't received anything. It is now 6:18 in the afternoon. The mailman has come and gone. I still have not received my products. Their shipping is so shady. I just cannot deal. Not to mention, my product shipped out 6 days after I ordered it. I ordered on the 1st, my product shipped on the 6th. come on, dude. That makes no sense because I ordered like my Morphe stuff on June 5th. It shipped out June 6th. Come on. So to me, like, that's already like annoying AF, and I'm gonna tell you why it's annoying. It's annoying when they have delayed shipping like this for me in particular, and I feel like for other very, very small YouTubers like myself, because these products, when they're coming out, these are hot products, you know. People want to hear about them, people want to see videos about them, and they want to, you know, see if they should buy them. So when it's taking you like 20 days to send me my product, that's 20 days that I haven't been able to film this review, put it up on my channel, and, you know, grow my channel the way I want to, because I'm a review channel. I do review things, I do makeup, and I need this product. And now you could say, well, you could have gone and got it from Ulta. Yes, but I ordered it before it went live in Ulta, I think. And when I went to Ulta, I was like, I'm not gonna get the foundation because I already just ordered it, and I wanted to try out the concealer and the setting powder for you guys so that we could see how everything in their new complexion line is adding up. So that's why I did not purchase the foundation. Also, Ulta only has the foundation, whereas I wanted everything else. So irregardless, that wasn't gonna work for me. So yeah, that's kind of why I was really starting to get frustrated with them to begin with, like this time around, because I haven't ordered anything from them since November of last year. So now here we are, and the whole thing on Twitter goes down with Alyssa Ashley and Jackie Aina, and the owner of Juvia's page, Chi Chi. She kind of came on to Jackie Aina's like post and was being very rude and condescending to her. Obviously, y'all knew Jackie Aina shut her down with the quickness, but like, again, as a brand owner, as Jackie said, you should not be involved in your social media, sis. You need to hire a team because you just keep looking messy. So all of this drama with them just restarted now because they posted a picture of Jeffree Star reviewing their foundation, and they were like, oh my god, thank you, blah blah blah, whatever they said. I don't know what they said specifically, please don't quote me. They posted it in their stories, okay, whatever. Then they posted it as an actual post on their Instagram page, and it's like, whoa, sis, calm down. Like, now you're doing the most. Yes, I know that Jeffree went out and bought the products himself, and he does that. He reviews a lot of stuff. I'm not going to talk about Jeffree Star on my channel because he has stans and they're crazy, and I don't need that type of negativity on my channel. I promise you, I'm not the one. Don't bring it here. But needless to say, there is some bad blood between, you know, the black community and Jeffree Star, because even though people try to say, oh, it was like 10-12 years ago that he said those things, he still continues to display negative behavior over and over towards women of color. And it's just disrespectful that Juvia's Place, who's been branding itself as a black owned company who's here for black women, would post his stuff. Yeah, it's fine that he reviews it. He could do whatever the hell he wants, but you don't have to feed into that and like not only post it in your stories, but you're also making a whole post about it. Like, come on, sis. Basically at this point, it's looking like you are selling us out for his like attention, because you guys know if Jeffree Star says something Jeffree Star approved, it's gonna be sold a lot. Now it's like, I understand you trying to make them coins, sis, get your money. I will never blame somebody for getting their money, but you have to understand like how you're making your money and if that's like a good way to go about it. Like, that's kind of, I think the issue here is that it's not like Jeffree reviewing it is a problem. He could do whatever the hell he wants, but it's that Juvia's Place just was posting it like it was like freaking the, I don't know, the king of the world who finally looked at their brand and decided to give it a chance. Meanwhile, us black people, we've been supporting this brand over and over through all of their trials and errors and everything that's been going on from the beginning. We have been out here giving them black dollars, and not to mention Juvia's Place wasn't sending PR out really to black influencers like they would send them out to white influencers. And that's another thing that they tried to say, like, oh no, we do send them out to whatever. It's like, no, you don't. Like, I know they don't, because there's a lot of them I follow and they never really get stuff from Juvia's Place. Like, they're always like, oh, I just bought the new Juvia's Place. Whereas like, I'll see, I'm sorry, again, I have to say, Nikki Tutorials be like, oh, I just got sent the new Juvia's Place thing and blah, 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 blah. And of course, her shipping's always on time. Like, come on, to me, I think that that's what it was. I think it was mainly the fact that Juvia's Place really just, it disrespected its home-based customers and basically threw our business back into our faces and just made us feel like they didn't care for us as their consumers. And I get it, like, you want to branch out into different markets, for sure, do that, but I just think that the way they're going about it is very wrong. They're selling out their people for other influencers, and it's sad. And of course, I get it, like, white influencers definitely get way more views. Things just come way easier to them because we all know why. But I just don't think that this was kosher. This was definitely not the way to go about it, and I think it put a very salty taste in people's mouth. Now, with that being said, I'm going to wrap up this video because I feel like I've just been rambling. With that being said, I'm still going to review this foundation, concealer, and powder. I am not going to let my feelings about this company get in the way of me, you know, giving you guys an honest and truthful review on the product, because I really do feel like this foundation's amazing. I bought it because I need a new foundation for the summer because I have super oily skin, and like, I got darker because I went home and I was tanning and all that good stuff. So I'm still going to review it on my channel. Have no fear. I'm still going to review it. I'm still going to use my palettes because they are very, very good. But I think for me, this is the last straw, and I will not be purchasing from Juvia's Place ever again. I will not give them another chance. I will not purchase from them again. For me, it's done. It's just, the trust has already been broken. Like, it was like semi-broken before, but now it's gone. And once that's gone, I'm just not about it. And I know all companies have some kind of shadiness going on, but I think this one hurts the most because it's from like your own people, you know, like, the owner says she's a black-owned brand. She's here for black women. She wants to represent black women with her brand. I just feel like now she's going against that now that the big dollars are coming in from the white influencers. So yeah, that's really all that I have to say on the matter. You will see my review up next week if I ever get my products. But after that, that will be the last time that I purchase from Juvia's Place, unfortunately. And, you know, it is what it is. I know, what is it called? Cancel culture is one of those things. I don't cancel people by, like, saying I'm never going to show them on my channel and stuff like that. Because, like I said, they got really good products. I'm just telling you, moving forward, your girl will not be purchasing from them ever again. So it is what it is. It's just like I said about Tarte. I haven't purchased anything from Tarte since like Kingdom Come, since they had that shadiness with their foundations. But all my Tarte products that I had, I definitely still use them because I already own them. What am I supposed to do with them? So yeah, that's it. That's all that I have to say. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you join this little family that I'm trying to build here on YouTube. If you have, you know, any thoughts and opinions about this matter, please leave them down below. If you want to fact check me, also do that, because I don't really have anything in front of me right now to give you guys real receipts. I'm not a drama channel, that's why I don't have like receipts to pop up and all that good stuff. But yeah, that's really it. Again, please no hate comments. If you have them, keep them to yourself, or just like don't say anything. Like, it is what it is. But yeah, again, still rambling. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time, which will probably be in my Juvia's Place review. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.